Welcome to RAM, where every purchase becomes an opportunity. Anna is browsing today's drops and discovers a bag she loves. With Agent Shopee guiding her, she checks the details and buys instantly. After she buys, her bag becomes a PVT, a product voucher token. A PVT is her digital claim to the product. She can hold it, trade it, transfer it, gift it, or redeem it on the brand's site for the real product. When she redeems and checks out on the brand's site, she also receives a digital product passport, her proof of authenticity, responsible sourcing, and future resale value. Now Ryan receives a referral link from a friend who bought sneakers on RAM. He taps the link and lands directly on the product page. He likes the sneakers and decides to buy. Agent Promo automatically generates a shareable story for him, complete with captions, layout, and his personalized referral link. With one tap, Ryan posts it to Instagram. Soon after, Ryan gets a notification. Someone bought through his link. He gets paid instantly. And every time anyone buys through his link, he earns again. It keeps happening. Each new purchase sends more rewards straight to his wallet. His rewards stay with him. They live in his wallet and grow over time. Agent Folio shows his growing portfolio of PVTs, all increasing in value as demand rises. He sees his sneakers and other items rising in value because he got in early. Shop, share, earn, repeat. To learn more, just scan the QR code or search RAMM.AI chat on Telegram.
Welcome to RAM, a new agentic marketplace redefining e-commerce. If you're a brand, this is your new intelligent autonomous operator, Agent Valet. No long forms, no ads, no middlemen. Launch campaigns in minutes, not days.
Just tell the agent what you're launching.
And it builds your campaign end to end. Tell Valet your campaign goal. Set your timing. Valet analyzes your brand and campaign goals. Valet automatically extracts key information. Your brand identity, visual style, and data directly from your existing web links. Valet finds your best target audience instantly. Recommends your best strategy and full launch plan, including dynamic pricing. Valet applies S-curve models to maximize conversions and momentum. Fully autonomous, fully optimized. Real-time AI predictions estimate sales, reach, and promoter volume. Preview everything instantly. Clean, simple, agent-built. Your campaign goes live across the RAM network. Promoters activate, sales begin. Real-time revenue updates, on-chain tracking. Autonomous adjustments from Valet. Zero cost, fully transparent. Powered by the RAM Agentic Engine. To learn more, just scan the QR code or search RAMM.AI chat on Telegram.
Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto.
upgrade your jewelry for a more refined look. Consider structured pieces to elevate your style.